Bright blessings! We're about to start a creative visualization to ground our roots to the earth, connect with the universe, and center all our energy in a circle of protection. We can do this exercise before casting a spell, before a cleansing ritual, or at any other time we feel the need. Let's get started. Sit with your back straight, your feet firmly on the ground, and your hands gently resting on your lap. If you prefer to stand up, place your feet 6 inches apart and have your palms together in front of you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, visualizing the air entering and reaching your stomach. Hold the breath for a few seconds. Now breathe out slowly. Imagine all the tension leaving your body. Breathe in again and notice how you fill up with peace as your body relaxes. Notice how the air reaches every part of your body, relaxing it and bringing it to a perfect balance. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Try to feel the earth under your feet. Imagine roots coming out of the soles of your feet and going deep inside the earth. Through these roots, the energy of the earth climbs into your feet, your legs, your hips, and belly, reaching the center of your heart. Feel its warmth as you inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Visualize a crown of light opening up to receive the power of the universe. There is a network of energy flowing above your head. Imagine all this energy coming through, going down your head, lighting up your face with a smile, and finally reaching the center of your heart. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Feel the immense warmth of the earth entering through your feet and the energy of the universe traveling down through your head. They meet right inside your heart as a bright light grows larger inside your chest. There is now a radiant sphere that slowly envelops and surrounds your entire body like a shield of protection. Say with me, I am protected by a sacred circle. In perfect love and perfect trust. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, and 3. You are now the meeting point between the energy of the universe and the earth under your feet. You are in perfect harmony and ready to cast a spell, go into deep meditation, or simply move on with your day. You can now open your eyes. Thanks for tuning in and have a blessed day.